Welcome back to AI Pulse, daily your source for explosive AI trends that will decide the future of technology. While everyone debates whether AI is overhyped, one man just placed the biggest bet in tech history. SoftBank's Masayoshi Son is seeking to team up with TSMC to realize a $1 trillion industrial complex in Arizona to build robots and artificial intelligence. This isn't just another tech investment. This is economic warfare disguised as innovation. Son envisions a version of the vast manufacturing hub of China as Shenzhen that would bring back high-tech manufacturing to the U.S. with the pod comprising production lines for AI-powered industrial robots. The strategic genius is obvious. While China dominates traditional manufacturing, Son wants to leapfrog directly to AI-driven production that could make human labor almost irrelevant. SoftBank officials have spoken with U.S. federal and state government officials to discuss possible tax breaks for companies building factories or otherwise investing in the industrial park, including talks with U.S. Secretary of Commerce. However, the project, codenamed Project Crystalland, represents the most ambitious technology strategy in American history. The numbers reveal everything about this strategic move. Our commitment of $1 trillion would be double that of the $500 billion Stargate project, which seeks to build out data center capacity across the U.S. with funding from SoftBank, OpenAI, and Oracle. This week, SoftBank raised $4.8 billion from a sale of shares in T-Mobile. This isn't speculative investing. This is strategic preparation for technological warfare. Son is also sounding out interest among tech companies, including Samsung Electronics. We're talking about factories operated by SoftBank-backed robotics startups, TSMC chip fabrication facilities, Samsung Electronics manufacturing, and automated production lines building the robots of the future. If successful, Arizona could become the global center for AI hardware production, making every other manufacturing hub obsolete. The geopolitical implications are staggering. The U.S. and China are locked in a technological arms race to secure economic and military advantage. China has dominated manufacturing for decades by offering cheap labor and government support. But AI and robotics could make labor costs irrelevant. If Son's vision succeeds, American AI-powered factories could outproduce Chinese manufacturing while being completely automated. This strategy would create no dependence on overseas supply chains, complete control over AI hardware production, and American-designed robots building American technology. The Trump administration has been active in developing policies that accelerate AI innovation. With the final AI action plan expected by July of 2025, the message to China is clear. America will mobilize like it is wartime to win the AI race. But here's the massive risk: execution. Son is famous for ambitious projects that sometimes fail spectacularly. Building a $1 trillion manufacturing complex requires unprecedented coordination between government, private industry, and international partners. The plans are preliminary, and feasibility depends on support from the Trump administration and state officials. Current projections suggest that successful execution could add trillions to U.S. GDP and create over 100,000 direct jobs in Arizona alone. But the real prize isn't economic. It's technological supremacy. The country that controls AI hardware production will control the future of everything from autonomous vehicles to smart cities to military technology. Whether this ambitious vision becomes reality or crumbles under its own weight will determine who leads the next phase of human technological evil. One thing is certain: the AI race just became a $1 trillion war, and the winner will shape the next century. That's all for today's explosive analysis here at AI Pulse Daily. If this deep dive into the $1 trillion AI war opened your eyes to how rapidly geopolitical power is shifting through technology, smash that like button and subscribe for more market-moving insights. We tracking the biggest trends that will make or break nations in 2025. Ring that notification bell so You never missed our next viral breakdown of the forces reshaping our world. Until next time, keep riding the pulse of innovation